Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little and tap on the display. Now let's scroll again in order to find the control center and notification shade. It should be in the system section, so let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the battery indicator option. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got only the battery icon applied, because this option is marked obviously, but we can also choose to set the percentage inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon. So in order to change the option, just tap on the one you'd like to set. So I will pick this one, and as you can see on the status bar from now on, right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Obviously you can change it also to the inside the battery icon, and it also immediately changes, but let me leave this option. So actually that's all. This is how to show the battery percentage in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.